Mr. Moore.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's not shout at people. Let's not raise our voices. Here's the thing. If an attorney is telling you what the state is offering, all you have to do, if you don't want to accept the offer, just say you don't want to accept it, say you want a jury trial, and you'll get a jury trial. But
this is a critical courtroom moment. The judge is calmly laying out a fundamental right. If you don't like the deal, you don't argue. You ask for a jury trial. Notice how firm but controlled the judge is here. Quick question for you. Would you take a plea deal you felt was unfair or roll the dice with the jury?
your attorney can't make the state offer you something that you want them to offer you.
It's not what, no. So it's not what they offer, it's what you're lying on and trying to give me. And I know what I did. It was an argument.
Okay, so
It
here's
was
the
an argument. It was an argument. It was
then
an
it
argument.
means you need a jury trial. That's what you're saying. You want a jury trial.
Argument. It was an argument between me and my relatives.
All right, let me ask you,
Start
who's the
adding
prosecutor on this
adding
case?
extra names onto the case. He added extra names on the, wait a minute. You're talking to me. You're talking to me.
Are you the prosecutor on the
You're
case?
talking to me. You said John, you just said John Moore,
Are you
right?
planning on dismissing these charges? All right, so it sounds like they're gonna.
This right here is what lawyers call an impasse. Both sides are stuck. No deal, no movement. The defense tried a counteroffer, the state said no, and now everything points toward trial. But here's where it gets tense. When negotiations fail, pressure shifts directly onto the defendant. Do you think trials are about truth or strategy?
Want a jury trial? Are you planning on offering something different than you've already offered? All right, so is your client going to accept anything or no?
He has just informed me, we talked last night, but he informed me this morning because of some of the particulars, he's not going to accept the agreement.
All right, so nothing will, it sounds as though you all are at an impasse. The state, you're saying that you're not going to offer anything differently. And defense, I'm assuming there's no counter offer, right?
No, at this, I did. I made a counter offer to the state and they rejected it.
All right, so do you have all of the
And this is a huge legal turning point. The attorney raises competency concerns, which doesn't mean guilt or innocence. It means questioning whether the defendant fully understands what's happening. That can pause the entire case. The emotional reaction you're hearing, that actually strengthens the concern. Let me ask you, should courts slow down when emotions run this high?
discovery?
I do have all the discovery. If I could, the one thing with moving forward, and it started last night with these outbursts, I'm starting to have potentially some competency issues. I want to stop and pause before I make that decision, but I think I'll need to file a suggestion or motion that he needs to be evaluated for, I really can't communicate with him right now, Judge. And that's part of what I have to do to make sure he's competent.
All right, so is the communication issue, and I don't want to interfere with attorney-client privilege, but is the communication more of he's not accepting your advice or you don't believe he understands?
Sometimes I don't believe he truly
If I didn't
understands.
understand, I would not respond.
Okay,
For one, don't insult me. If
All
I
right.
did not understand,
all right, he can
don't
be
insult me
excused.
though.
Thank you.
Don't insult me.
All right, can we set this for a jury trial?
You're ganging up
What
on
day?
I'm going, but don't insult me. So if I did not understand the case, I would not respond. You understand that?
Yeah.
Today is.
So let me just tell you, today is Monday. If anybody thought today was not Monday, let me just tell you, today is Monday. Yes,
And I just started seeing this last night.
okay.
And I understand, I don't know when the court's going to reset me. I would have to file a motion at this stage on the competency issue, Your Honor.
I would have no objection to that because I've had those concerns myself since I reviewed this case.
All
Well,
right,
and it's, for me, I hadn't seen it yet, but I saw it last night for the first time.
Yes.
all right. Ms. Ferguson, they're going to file a motion to have him evaluated for competency. And I will say this is the first time I've seen him be this way since he's come to court. So,
Same with me.
all right. So what we'll do, Norma, if you can set this for the second week in December, and that's to make sure that everything has been filed.
I can do December 11th.
I will follow it this afternoon, and the second week of December is perfect for me. I live to snow ski and I'm going to open it this year, the first week of December.
Okay.
So thank you, Your Honor, for that.
You're welcome.